Allah Almighty is one. Allah Almighty is one. He is our Creator. He has created the earth and the sky. Allah Almighty has created delicious fruit for us. Allah Almighty created beautiful flower. Shining stars and the moon. Everything of the world is made by Allah Almighty. We worship Allah Almighty only. Allah Almighty has made the sky and the earth. Allah Almighty has created day. Allah Almighty has created night. Birds and animals are created by Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty has created human being. All fruits are created by Allah Almighty. Flowers are created by Allah Almighty. Subscribe my channel, like my video.